Welcome back. And today, Ata Andie is gonna teach me how to craft a boat and also an airplane. So let's start in 3, 2, 1, 0.
Okay, so first we're gonna make an airplane or a boat.
Airplane.
Okay, so first we're gonna fold it into half like this.
I'm gonna do whatever you say, even if it's not straight line. Oh, I forgot. You need to make it a straight line, okay, guys?
That's wrong way. You have to do it a straight line. So that your airplane will be so
Smooth.
nice. It's that
It
nice.
smells smooth also.
Smells. It feels good.
And also, it kind of smells like dark chocolate.
Oh, kinda. Okay, so next is we're gonna make 2 triangles and we're gonna combine it to one big triangle. So make sure it's in the line.
I know.
This is step 2.
Yeah. Okay.
Let's go.
Wait.
Another big triangle, and then we got a really big triangle. Now step 3 is we're gonna fold this like this.
I know.
Oh, that's not straight. You have to do it straight like this. So we're gonna fold it into the line, remember? Okay, and then we're gonna get another line. There we go. Now we're gonna fold it properly like this. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a really big
Mail. It looks like
Envelope.
mail.
Yeah, an envelope.
Hey, the point needs to touch the line.
Yeah, the point needs to touch the line. Okay, now we're gonna make another triangle.
Put yours.
It's okay. Another triangle.
Oh,
Make
upside
sure
down.
it's in the line
Make it
again.
upside down.
Make it upside down. Okay.
Oh, like this.
Now another one.
Wait for me.
It's okay. I'm gonna start this. And
I'm in
gonna wait for
training.
you. Okay. And as you can see, there's a really small triangle here. So we have to fold it. Oh, you have a big triangle. Oh, because it's not straight. We have to do it straight. Okay. So you have to do it like this. This one, and then you have to.
Why do I keep on making mistakes?
It's okay, because it's just your first time.
Mistakes.
Okay, so this triangle. So this is what it looks like when it's folded already.
Okay. And then you need to flip it.
Just a little.
Flip it, man.
Can you see that? Not really. Okay, now we're gonna flip it, and then we're gonna make another triangle. Oh, not really triangle, but
It's kind of nice.
yeah. See, it looks so pretty in the other side.
Wait.
Then we're gonna do another one. Ooh, looks so good. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Then we're gonna fold it like this.
Wait for me.
Okay, we're gonna make for him. Again, we're gonna fold it like that. Are you doing good there? Oh, wait.
What's that happening?
So like this, and then we're gonna fold it like that. Oh, it's not straight. There we go. Now we're gonna fold it like this. Okay. Even though yours is not straight, but it's okay because everyone makes a mistake. Okay, so it looks like this already, and we can fly it. So you wanna fly it?
How about the race? One time we did a race and I won, right?
Yeah.
Why do I keep on winning? 3, 2, 1. Let's start. Off we go. Now.
Let's go. Oh, okay, over there.
I guess we'll throw it over there.
1, 2, 3, go. Yay! I
You
won
won!
this time.
Huh. It makes... Okay. So we got a tie, right?
No. I won.
We're here again and we're gonna make the boat. The boat of wisdom.
So
Whatever is
a while ago, I won the battle, right?
I'm so slow.
Okay, so first step is we're gonna fold it like this. It's a while ago in the airplane it was like this, but this time we're gonna fold it like this. Okay. Now step number 2 is we're gonna we're gonna
Fold it again.
fold it again.
Why do you need to use so much folding on stuff, right?
Yeah, because it's a paper crafting. Now, as you can see, there's a line here, so we're gonna make
It's
a
like
triangle.
a book. It's like a book.
Yeah. So we're gonna make a triangle.
Okay, I remember making a triangle in the plane.
Okay.
Do you remember that?
A while ago, you had a
There
really
are no
big triangle.
episodes. This is the only episode on this video. But maybe we're gonna have a series on YouTube, right?
What?
Hey! I'm done.
Are you sure? Oh my gosh, yours is already straight. Mine is not.
Faster!
Oh no, I'm struggling. Now we got the triangle, and it looks like a cap, even though it's not touching. So now we're gonna.
I know how to make a hat.
Yeah, we're gonna fold it like this, and then, but we're not gonna make a hat. Then the other one, make sure to line it up there.
All you need.
So there. Now we got
Hey,
the hat. Yay, we're done. Just
that's
joking.
a hat.
Yeah, just joking. So this is a hat. It doesn't fit with my
I thought
hat.
you were trying to make a boat.
Yeah, of course. So now we're gonna put it like this. This is quite hard, so you have to follow. So we're gonna do this.
I know what to do. I've done a lot of hats in my school.
So we're gonna do this. As you can see, we're gonna open the hat and then we're gonna do this.
I think
Like-
we're making a puppet.
Yep.
Are we making a puppet?
Make sure to put it inside like this. Put it inside. Ooh, make sure it's straight. There we go. Okay. Now we're gonna put the other one.
We're
Everybody
gonna
put everything inside like this and then like that. Okay,
Wow.
now we're gonna do this.
Huh? The dark chocolate is turning
Okay.
into paper.
Now
It's turning.
another one.
What? How did you fold that? Oh, in this part? Or this
Yeah,
part?
in this part, and then
Like that?
you could do the other part.
And then you fold this again.
Yep.
How am I doing this?
Can I look? How come? Yours, wait. Perfect.
I don't-
Perfect. We're gonna do the boat again like a while ago, so we're gonna do this.
Like this? Wait, like this?
Yes. Oh wait. Yeah. And then we're gonna open it and then we got a boat.
It's a puppet. It's a puppet.
Girl.
It's a puppet.
It's a puppet.
It's a puppet.
How do you do it?
That's enough.
How do I do it?
That's how. You
Like
did
this?
that?
How do I do it?
Look at this.
Whatever, I'm gonna do this. So I got a boat.
I made the puppet.
You have to do it.
That is it for the crafting thing. So I'm playing and I got my boat, which I can make a puppet again.
We can do
Oh.
like this one. See? But it's much better if we do this.
And also I can make the puppet again. Here comes the puppet. Here he comes. Hi. It's easy. That's a puppet. That's a puppet. You learned how to make a puppet. Imagine you. It didn't well up.
Okay, so
I hope you enjoyed this video and subscribe for more videos and like for more notifications or whatever it's called.
we're gonna throw our plates at you.
And give me a thumbs up. Don't do that. Don't do that.
Okay, so we're gonna throw
Okay,
our
so-
plates at you. Let's go throw our plates at them. And then the puppets too.
The puppies are gonna ride
Rawr.
No, the puppies are gonna ride the plane.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, go.
The puppet!